So I'm sitting here simultaneously doing homework and watching Law and Order SVU because we haven't watched hours of this before.
No, we haven't.
And this is what Noonan is doing. And every other time he's burping a combination of taco truck and beer, which is...
Hey, poetry.
The sound is poetic, the smell following is not so much.
If it's a tragic poem...
Oh boy.
Really, can you be any more horrified at anything since we left the mall?
The mall was pretty scary.
The mall was unbelievable. I don't think I've ever seen a mall that busy.
We went to a mall on a Saturday like it was 1995.
Well, but it was just, there were so many people.
It's the day before the Super Bowl. People are shopping.
Is that just like their thing?
I guess so. It's kind of like Black Friday. It's a little bit like Black Friday.
It's Blue and Green Friday.
In this state and in Boston, it's blue and red.
Red?
Isn't it?
I thought they were blue and white.
They're blue, red, and gray, I think.
Oh.
Or red, white, and blue, essentially, because Patriots, but yeah.
Does that make us terrorists?
No, that makes us birds.
Okay. It was an awkward house this time of year.
Yeah.
I mean, it was sort of like, if I had to, I mean, I don't really.
Noonan doesn't really care about football,
Can I
but
say that? Like,
what?
It's Super Bowl Sunday tomorrow. Can I say I don't care about football and safety?
Yes, you can say you don't care about football because not everybody in this country cares about football, although it doesn't seem like that a lot of the time. Especially on this campus. I mean, I'm surprised at the amount of people that do care about football on this campus.
I think there's a lot of people who care about, like, beer during football games and free food when the RAs throw a Super Bowl party.
That's true.
I think that's what it is.
There's that.
But anyway, my grandfather is super into the Patriots, and I guess you guys know Ken, and he is not.
It's not that I'm not into the Patriots. It's just it's against Seahawks, so it's kind of like.
So one of us will be in a good mood tomorrow.
Yeah, my problem with the Patriots is Tom Brady. That's my only problem.
Well, I mean, yeah.
And Bill Belichick. I'm not a fan of either one of them.
What's wrong with Tom Brady?
He kind of seems pompous to me.
Okay, and Bill Belichick just hates fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see it on his face. He hates fun.
Yeah, he never looks happy. They did a whole Family Guy episode about that, remember that?
Oh, right. That's probably going to be on tonight, huh? You would think so.
Somewhere it's going to be on. They
Yeah.
show Family Guy like 8 nights a week.
Yeah. Because people love it. So a few hours later, I'm hanging out on a bridge over the freeway. It's pretty cool, actually.
Some nighttime photography.
Yep.
Boys and gentlemen, and girls and ladies.
There's the city over there. It was kind of crappy looking most of the day. We walked past drove past the Capitol building. It actually started looking pretty nice.
For this kind of event, yeah, it's pretty still.
Yeah. One creepy thing about being on the bridge, cars drive by and you can feel it. And it's a little woo.
It's not great.
Buddy, you might want to consider pulling your pants up.
I knew that.
Oh, I thought that was the moon. No, that's a street light. I'm an intelligent person.
Can I do this?
Yeah?
Okay.
Alright everyone, well I am going to sit down to edit this video that you just watched right now. And then I'm probably going to head to bed because I'm really tired. I've been really tired all day today. I have no idea why. See? So I'm thinking it's like 9:30. But I'm thinking it's probably going to take me close to half an hour to edit the video, and then I'm probably just gonna go to bed and that's probably a good thing because tomorrow is the Super Bowl. Go Hawks! And I need to finish a little bit. I need to write a little essay in the morning before the game, which is at 3:30. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog during the game or not. I'll probably vlog before and after. Because I'm gonna assume that a lot of you guys are going to watch the game. I might vlog some reactions because I'm actually gonna be watching it in a different place than I initially thought. I thought I was gonna be watching it, here in the apartment, but I'm actually gonna go hang out with some friends and watch it in the community center that we have here on campus and watch it with a bunch of other people. So that should be a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all tomorrow. Go Hawks! Well, that's not creepy as crap out here.